Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the OS is current and your work is saved. Once done, power cycle both Chromebook and router, shut down, wait 30 to 60 seconds, then power back on. Make sure to forget the troublesome Wi-Fi SSID in Settings Network Wi-Fi. That removes saved credentials and clears cached config. You do this now to eliminate transient issues and stale keys, which is why restarting and forgetting the network are the first actionable troubleshooting steps. Next, re-add the Wi-Fi network with attention to exact SSID spelling and password. Mismatches cause silent failures. When prompted, pick the correct security mode such as WPA2 or WPA3 because an incorrect selection blocks association. Let the Chromebook use DHCP by default so it requests an IP automatically. Only switch to static if your network requires it, and then enter gateway and DNS precisely. Also disable proxies and VPNs temporarily to make sure they are not interrupting the handshake or DNS resolution. Finally, verify connectivity by opening a lightweight website and running Chrome OS network diagnostics. You can use Crash Ctrl+Alt+T for ping and traceroute checks to confirm packet flow. If problems persist, reset network settings or perform a power wash only after backing up data because it restores factory network state. Make sure to inspect the router's MAC filtering list and any hardware Wi-Fi switch on the Chromebook. Those often silently block access. If blocked by MAC rules, add the Chromebook's MAC address to the router allow list.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.